Hi, my name is Dan Walsh. I am co-chair of the Elon Law Honor Council. You might remember me from your 1L orientation where I talked about what constitutes academic dishonesty. I'm not going to do that right now. Instead, all I'm going to tell you about is the actual function of the Honor Council and how you can be a member if you're interested in doing so. The Honor Council is the judicial branch of the SBA. This means that if you are interested in also running for part of the legislative branch of the SBA, such as being a 1L rep, that you have to pick one or the other. You can't have both. The SBA's Honor Council functions to investigate academic dishonesty and then decide whether academic dishonesty has actually occurred. We have three main types of positions. We have general members, solicitors, and defenders. Solicitors, as a 1L, you can't run for, but you can run for the assistant solicitor position. And this one is actually interesting in that it is the one and only position at Elon where if you are elected as a 1L, you don't have to run again as a 2L. You are automatically a solicitor as a 2L if you are an assistant solicitor as a 1L. There's only one person to whom that position is available. The general members are the ones that hold probable cause hearings and then after that hold trials. Defenders act to protect the rights of the accused student, but only at trials. So the way it works if there's an accusation of academic dishonesty is it's a two-stage process. The first stage, there is a solicitor who investigates, and then there's a probable cause hearing. At the probable cause hearing, there are three general members who sit, listen to the solicitor, and determine whether or not probable cause exists to think that the alleged academic dishonesty has occurred. If they find probable cause, then there's a trial. At the trial process, the solicitor again makes the same arguments. The defender has the opportunity to argue in the interests of the accused student, and five general members sit and determine whether or not the violation has occurred. If you are interested in running as a 1L, as I said already, you can run as a solicitor, assistant solicitor, excuse me, and you can run as a general member. In terms of workload, being a member of the Honor Council, you'll have at least 2 meetings. The first meeting is short, you take an oath of office. The second meeting, you will be given an orientation of sorts for your specific position, so you know what to do if an allegation of academic dishonesty occurs. After that, the only time that you have any meetings is if there is an allegation of dishonesty. I encourage you to run. I know that when I ran the last 2 years, I didn't do what lots of students did. I didn't have a poster. I didn't put up anything on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, even though they give you the opportunity to do so. I simply told students why I wanted to be a member of the Honor Council and why it was important to me. And that reason was very basically because I thought it was important that the little guy have a voice, that we keep in mind how serious of an accusation can be to a person's future career prospects, to the likelihood of them being admitted to a bar. So if you are adverse to social networking, as I am, that doesn't need to mean that you can't be a part of this. Additionally, even if you are more interested in the rights of the accused than of protecting the integrity of Elon as an academic institution, you can still run for this. There's still a place for you because that was the platform I ran on. I encourage you to run, and I hope to see you in a few months at one of our meetings. Take care.